Desk space is everything. Keep your files and valuables stored away in the Desky wooden cabinet. The cabinet features one personal drawer suitable for all your stationery and notepads, and a full-size file drawer, both with smooth rails and a gentle silent close. And with lockable features, this gives you peace of mind when working with confidential and important files. Made from the same wood as our desktop to reduce waste, and customizable to match existing Desky furniture with various wood finishes and black or white exterior colors to complement your office design, let's now assemble it to see how easy it is. Begin by unboxing the cabinet to inspect all of the parts. The assembly process is super straightforward and can be completed in just a few easy steps. The Desky wooden cabinet comes with a set of instructions included and all the necessary tools for assembly. First, flip the cabinet over, where we'll start by assembling the base of it. Attach the 5 caster wheels to the bottom of the cabinet using the smaller of the screws provided. Be sure to note that there are 3 different styles of wheels. There are wheels with brakes on them, and 2 of these are to be positioned at the front of the cabinet. A stationary wheel will be placed in between these, and then the remaining 2 wheels, which are movable wheels without brakes, these are to be positioned at the back of the cabinet. And then using the hex key provided, secure all 4 screws to each of the wheels and then tighten them down. Once all the wheels have been secured to the base, we can then flip the cabinet back over. Next, unbox the wooden filing cabinet fronts and begin with the smaller of the 2 fronts. Install the locking assembly first by placing the lock cylinder through the hole in the wooden front, coming from the back and sending the keyhole through first. Then with the provided small wood screws, secure the lock in place using the Phillips head screwdriver. And then after that, flip it over and install the lock plate around the keyhole on the front of the cabinet. With the keyhole on the front facing outwards and topside, attach this to the top drawer with 3 of the longer screws. First by hand, before going back over and tightening with that hex key to secure that front wood plate in place. Grab the remaining wooden cabinet front and with 5 large screws attach this to the bottom drawer, again tightening by hand first before using the hex key to secure this in place. Once the fronts are on, we're almost there. Lastly, close all the drawers and check to see if the keys and locking system work, and if they do, your Desky wooden cabinet is now fully assembled and ready to organize your workspace easily and stylishly.